Okay, every Wednesday, the books that have been put on hold are ready to be picked up. So you see right in the center of our screen, the red words, books are ready on Wednesdays. If you put books on hold on a Wednesday, they're not going to be ready until the following week. So any books that you put on hold from Wednesday to the weekend through Monday will be ready that Wednesday, the yellow Wednesday. But then the deadline hits. Monday night is the last time you can put books on hold for this week to pick up. If you put books on hold on a Tuesday, they're not going to be ready until the following Wednesday, the orange Wednesday, because Tuesday is the day that Miss Johnson and Miss Alberti get the books ready to be picked up on Wednesdays. We take all of the records out of the computer. We find all the books on the shelves. We check them out to all of the students. We put labels on all of the books so we know which books belong to each student. And it's actually a pretty time consuming process. It takes a few hours to do all that work and get them ready. So, any books that are put on hold on a Tuesday, it seems like they should be ready the next day, Wednesday, but they won't be. They will be ready a whole week later because we've already pulled those records. So keep that in mind. So any books from a Tuesday or a Wednesday won't be ready until the following Wednesday. Here it is again, Monday night, the wall falls. And any books that have been held up to Monday night will be ready this week. Any books that are held on a Tuesday or a Wednesday won't be ready until the following Green Wednesday. So I hope that helps you understand the pickup days and the deadlines for putting books on hold. See you at the school when you pick up your books.